In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the title of your Wix site that appears in the browser tab. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial for giving your website a professional look and improving its SEO visibility. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all the websites you manage. Select the website whose title you wish to change. After selecting your site, click on Edit Site to open the Wix Editor. If you're using Editor X, you should see a Edit with Editor X option instead. Now that you're in the Wix Editor, look to the left panel and click on Menus and Pages. This is where all your site's pages are listed. Hover over the page you want to edit, such as your home page, and you'll see a More Actions icon next to it. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select SEO Basics. In the SEO Basics section, you'll find a field labeled Page Title. This is what we need to edit. It's the text that appears in the Browser tab when visitors view your site. Type in your new title here. For instance, if your current title is something generic like Home My Site, you can update it to something more descriptive and keyword rich, like Coastal Rentals, Luxury Beachfront Homes in Cebu. Keep your title concise, ideally between 50 to 60 characters, to ensure it's optimal for search engine visibility. If you also need to update the site name that Wix automatically includes, head back to your dashboard, click on Settings, and then General Info. Here, under Site Name, you can enter your new business or brand name. Remember, this name might appear not only in the browser tab titles, if it's set as a default, but also in emails and site metadata. Before finalizing your changes, you'll want to preview how your title appears. In the Wix Editor, click Preview to check if everything looks right. If you're satisfied with the appearance, head to the top right corner and click Publish. Refresh your live site to confirm that the new title displays correctly in the Browser tab. Lastly, if you want to ensure that Google displays your updated title, access the Wix dashboard again. Navigate to Marketing and SEO, and then SEO Setup Checklist. Update your SEO title and meta description here. For faster re-indexing by Google, consider using the URL inspection tool within Google's Search Console to manually submit your site. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the browser tab title for your Wix site. This small change can have a big impact on both the usability and search engine ranking of your site. Thank you for watching.